All right, let's do something very simple. So we're doing ACT practice. ACT exam practice. So this is something very simple. So let me show you what we have here. We have, let's say we have two functions. One of them is f of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 5. And then we have g of x equals to square root of x. And then they ask of g of 4 divided by f of 1. So f of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 5. And then g of x is equal to square root of x. So what they're really asking us for is g of 4 divided by f of 1. So this is what we need to solve for. So this is what we don't know. So let's do g of 4 for. G of 4, what it basically is g of 4. So what it tells you here is every time you see x, you're going to replace it by a 4. So we're going to have, instead of having square root of x, we're going to have square root of 4, which is 2. Now let's move on. F of 1. So instead of having x, we're going to replace, every time we see x, we're going to replace it by 1. So we're going to have 1 squared plus 1 plus 5, which is 1 plus 1 plus 5. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7. So g of 4 divided by f of x, which is g of 4 divided by f of 1 is equal to g of 4, we already found it, which is 2, divided by f of 1, which is, we found here was 7. So it's 2 over 7. And as you can see here is answer choice. You can see here is answer choice A, 2 over 7. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of people taking ACT and SAT and any other standardized things. Thank you. Bye.